no, somebody's got to clean all this up now, and I've got a feeling it's me. Watermelon everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Juicy, sticky, lovely watermelon.
Hello, my name is Tom, and today I want to find the most satisfying way that I can destroy a watermelon. We've all seen the videos of the rubber bands that squeeze it and make it pop. People running them over with cars, throwing them off buildings. I want to see what I can do with the things I've got available to me here in my studio. We've got a couple of hammers, we've got an axe, and we've got a chainsaw. Let's see what we can do with those. And if I go a bit crazy, I might see what I can do to it with no tools, throw it about a bit, and let's make a mess and have some fun.
The chainsaw, designed to rip through wood. What will it do to the soft, red flesh of a watermelon with those metal teeth? Watch them spin. The old faithful hammer, used to bang in nails and smash stuff up. What can these bad boys do to the flesh and the outer skin of that watermelon? Axe. My favourite one, and I think it will do the best job with that glisten in the red light. I'm holding out for you, axe baby. Today's episode is sponsored by melons. Go to your shop and buy some melons. All proceeds go to melons. Well, it is a mess in here. I mean, what did I expect, right? Absolute carnage. Watermelon everywhere. GoPro covered in watermelon. I put on some overalls to, because I anticipated the mess. Let's go and have a look at some of this delicious watermelon. Some nice sliced pieces from I think that was from the axe. That guy down there, that's the one that I, went a bit crazy and decided to punch. Some more sliced pieces there. One of these, that one, there it is. That's a piece from the chainsaw. Oh dear. Got to clean all this up now. Oh dear me. Dearie, dearie me. Just sort of initial impressions. For me, I think the most satisfying one was the axe. I really like the clean slice. Oh, there's some watermelon on the lens. Sorry, there's a bit of a blurry spot. There's watermelon juice all over the lens. Let's grab that. There we go. That's better. Never wipe your lenses with your overalls. That's a very bad idea. Yeah, I think the axe was the most satisfying one for me. Nice clean slice, how it stayed on the table. Thought that was really nice. Chainsaw made far too much mess and didn't actually, but not in the right way. I thought it was going to explode out from the chainsaw. No, but we'll see. I've not seen the footage yet. So let's jump into the edit, look at the footage, and then we'll decide which one was the most satisfying way that I could destroy these watermelons. So it's another day. I've had the weekend to clean up. I've not looked at the footage yet, so let's get into it and let's have a look at this footage. Oh, excuse me. Alright, let's see what this axe one looks like. So look what that looks like. Slowed down. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Yes, that is nice. And it stayed on the table as well. Doom. Doom. Oh, look at that spray. Oh, hello. Doom. Nice. Let's see what the GoPro saw. Oh. Doof. Oh. Almost took the GoPro out. Look at that, coming right at the lens. Doof. Oh, that's a good noise. It's amazing that that last piece stayed on the bench. Oh, one more time. Doof. Okay, what was next? Was it still the axe? Yes, it was. Right. Doof. Okay, we'll slow that guy down as well. Oh. Doom. And that's some powerful sliceage. And a nice little artistic wobble from the watermelon. Oh. Boom. Dum, 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 dum. Future is an axe in the kitchen. Definitely. Doom. Look at the spray off that. That's why it took me hours to clean everything up. Do we need to see the GoPro side of that? Let's watch it anyway. He lines himself up. He goes in for the kill. It's just so not as satisfying in normal speed. Doof. I was supposed to use two A7S3s to film this, but one of them broke. What a pain in my ass. Hammer time. Oh. Oh. That's a little smack. Oh. Oh, that's a bit, goes through me, that one does. Let's find it, where is it now? Oof. Oh. There's something a bit, turns my little stomach a little bit, that one does. Doof. Oh. Makes me want to be sick. What's going on there? Knocking the bottom of that with his hammer. Crazy guy. What's the crazy guy? Oh, the double hammer. Oh no, I've ruined it. Let's go back. The double hammer. Clap. Oh. Not so satisfying. The hammer's not as good as the axe. I think axe is definitely in the lead at the minute for me. Hammers are a bit meh. What was next? Oh, there we go, from the GoPro point of view. Yeah, no, not for me. Double boom. Where is it now? Here we go. Yeah, meh, it's okay. Now this one. This is where the action's at. Chainsaw all the way. My chainsaw that sounds like a hairdryer because it's electric. Let's slow that bad boy down. It's a good looking melon. Oh, cracks it straight away. Look at all that juice. Some tasty juice. Let's clean the blade up very nicely there. Oh, this little watermelon smoothie. Right, I'm just going to slow down this GoPro footage right off the bat. There's no point looking at it unless it's slowed down. Is there really? Let's face it. Here he comes in, the maniac with the chainsaw. Double guard. You know what though? Not as satisfying as the axe. I really thought the chainsaw would win this one hands down. Unless I said axe at the beginning. I can't remember. It was a few days ago. Let's have a look. Can't see the crazy guy punches a watermelon. As over as quickly as it begun. As over as quickly as it begun? Does that make any sense? Over as quickly as it began. I can't even find it now, slowing it down. Oh. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Hang on a minute. Here we go. He winds his punch up. And he goes in. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Look at that spatter. Who knew? Who knew these hands had such power? Goodoosh. Oh, that's why my backdrop got ruined. Let's watch that again. Yes, so not as satisfying in normal speed. He's winding it up. He's getting ready. Boom. Ugh. So much spatter. Oh, there's juice all over the lens as well. God damn it. Doomf. Oh. Those chunks. Chunky chunks. Skabdoosh. Sopping wet fist. That's what we like to see. Right, I'm just going to go 25% on the next one. I can't remember what I did on this one. Let's have a look. Another gorgeous melon. Oh, hammer fist. Nice, nice little drippy drip again. Skadoosh. Oh, it's already a bit of a broken Milan in that one. Doomf. Oh yeah. I think I dropped that melon already. So after watching all those, for me, it has got to be first time was an absolute charm. This axe going through. Oh. Absolute winner. Absolute winner. %. The spatter, the clean cut. It just absolutely bosses it. Oh. Beautiful. Let's have a look see what it's like in reverse, proper reverse. Is it going to play back? Come on, man. Come on, Premiere. Why don't you like playing backwards? No, it really doesn't like playing that back. Let's try and drop that resolution down. Really doesn't like it. Try one more quarter. It looked terrible, but at least we'll be able to see. No. Okay, never mind. I'm sure I can insert some reverse footage in the edit. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I think that was very satisfying. All of them were quite satisfying for me, because I was the one who did it and got to enjoy smashing up some melons, some stress relief. If it was my vote, if I was suggesting on how anyone should destroy watermelons, maybe any fruit, I'd go the humble little hatchet axe. He did a blinding job, the little fella did. Watch it one more time for good luck. Oh yes, let's turn that resolution back up to full so we can see it in all its glory. Definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe. I'm a new channel, trying something new. Hope you guys like it, and stay tuned for more content. See you later.